My people, how una dey? Una welcome to today Ogbonge News. My name is Tireme Edu David, the Alamialu one of the universe. My people, today na jollification. We dey jollificate. We want jollificate because another bonus doesn't come. But before we go inside the matter, you know say I dey smile, so may use the smile to subscribe because wetin I want tell you want the subscription. Although the subscription are free, they don't take anything. But wetin I want tell you water. And I dey laugh so, I dey smile, they give you when you understand how the matter dey be. My people, the matter when they grant, now another bonus, you know, say when bonus matter don't come, well, you understand. Then this bonus, this one is sweet. If this one are the kind of bonus when you be say if you take her, you shop her, your mind will always sweet you, will sweetalize you. May you sit down and carry table, carry chair, sit down here and carry pen, carry everything when you be say you go tell listen. When you be say you understand this one because this one now real Buganis gets news. My people, the matter be say when we dey talk now the bonus they call it nursery bonus. Nursery bonus up to 3,000 euro per child. Nursery bonus up to 3,000 euro per child. I know say person go as I talk that one, a person shout say, you say? I don't talk again. Nursery bonus up to 3,000 euro per child. It is true. How the Italian call them in Italian language, because I want to speak Italian language now, so that you understand. By the time you reach calf, say you want to, you know, we'll go there, go say, I want to nursery bonus up to 3,000 euro. If you talk and the calf person will say, hey, I don't understand. Hey, you understand me? Now you want make me coordinate for you now. Which they call them, be say they call them bono asilo nido. Bonus asilo nido. I repeat again. I want to come many times so that you understand that. Bonus asilo nido. Bonus asilo nido. So when you get there, you tell them say I want to bonus asilo nido. Then they will understand. They will do the thing where you want to. But the matter be say this one first. You must get children. And person when you be say and get children, get picking. Na pikin with the color, you know, say for you must get pikin at least one. At all, na bad. Must get one pikin, and that pikin will grow small. In fact, even if you never grow, but when you don't reach to start school, you don't start nursery school, you don't first of all qualify with that. So you will make sure say your kid don't reach to start nursery school, and not be because this one. You know, say one day when you be say. As a day belly for 7 months, you will go do one. Now June that one come. When it don't start, I will still come town now. As a day belly from that one from 7 months of pregnancy to 21 years, you will just take 250 euro or 300 euro. If you don't understand that one, I don't fair do one. So you did my YouTube. You go there, you go check and you see that one a single allowance. Now this one. That's still for per child, but the matter be say the child will grow rich when they start school. This one not get anything to do with that one. If they collect that one, they chop and see they collect this one, John and they chop and your chitadnas are still there. Makam nothing they do one. I think why you don't be there. You understand? This one high up to 3,000 euro. But your Excel go determine whether you go reach 3,000 or you go dey below 3,000. But the maximum say na 3,000. So the money by a child is from 1,000 as minimum of 1,500 up to maximum of 3,000. Then for the people when we say your Excel matter, your Excel determine how much they will pay you. If your Excel not reach from 20,000 below, then you are entitled to 3,000 euro. Then if you be say your Excel it does high reach from 25,000 to 40,000. Then you are entitled to 2,500 euro. But it can't be say your Excel it can't be 40,001 go up. So your home money, the bonus what they will give you will be saying 1,500 euro. Now they go to give you. Now the matter the as the Z the three return now be that one. So if your own never pass 20,000, your Z no pass 20,000, your money now you understand. I know so many people there is not even reach 5,000. So many people will fit do this one. So if your Z never reach that amount, so you never reach 20,000, so they expected 3,000 euro. So now the bonus now be that one. Now you can if you fee register it through its application, you are free to register by yourself. You fill the form and you submit. Then they will verify it and approve it if you qualify. Or you go to CAF. Go to any CAF within near you. Tell them say you want to bono asilo nido. Then they will ask for your EZ there and the other document that I will also be explaining to you now, which you will take, you will follow body when you dey go. Not be lazy because you know at least when somebody a children when he start school, they will get document. Those documents is already there because you don't already start school. Because this bonus now for people who don't start school, nursery bonus. That is what they call this bonus. So is there you first that your is there, and second the name and the VAT number of the school, that is the nursery school, the name and VAT number of the nursery school, the CL of the minor, that is the CL of the child, the reference month, that is the month when it be say this matter they happen, then the detail of the payment, receipt or payment, that is the detail when it be say you take pay the this thing when it be say the bank, you take pay the school fees or the tuition when you take pay when you take enter. The name of the parents who bear the cost, that is the name of the father, the name of the mother of the parent. That is if now say now your name, the name when they document to the name when they say now the now they understand now the name now you go now you go there. And this is not just for only people when they stay adults, they fit still do one for them. Adult, child, all of them. As far as say you don't bear your name and don't they go school, so you will take this thing follow body and the receipt of the payment, the receipt of the invoice, the bank or postal order for companies and a check, confirmation from its employee, or that is for let's say a company or that check now they use. They say for company and check, confirmation from the employee or the nursery school of the payment of the tuition for or withheld in the payment slip. That is all this thing must be say if they are available to show say true the pikin they go school, the pikin get all this thing. If not, they not go attend to you. You have to everything when it be say you they do for school now for your children, they gather all of them. Anything when you say you pay whatever you are doing, just gather all of them. These things are the things when it be say you go submit, when it be say they go take attend to you. As I talked before, even though say the child you are daughter, no matter how the child take on, as long as say the child they bear your name and you don't start school, so you don't qualify, then you go to CAF, you go register so that this money will reach your hand. The money now the one when you be say you fit they support yourself and the pikin when you be say they go school. Not be you that they do this thing for, that they do one for the children. Not the one when you be say the money you will collect her, you will take go so abada, or you will collect this thing, you will take go do what you not supposed to do. This thing not be your own. Now for the future of the child. Now the problem when we get with this one, so that these children will grow up, they will grow up well, they will feel complete with the children of this citizen. When you be saying Italian children they be, because the biggest challenge is when you be say we they get now be say this is all this bonus where they give us for our children, we they collect all of them. They use on the so they use a buy land. They buy land is so go give their girlfriend for our side too. Or those that will or say give them your picking money. You understand that? So some people they use and do waiting they not supposed to. This money now for that child and the child future. That is the reason when it be say when children of the immigrant children don't grow, they don't fit fix themselves into the system. None of the government they look after them because they provide things that will make these people to compete with everybody. But the parents, because of their selfishness, because of their greed, because of a high level of life or ignorant, I don't know which one we call them, whether they're ignorant, being foolish or anything, but because of whatever when they worry them, they will use this money, they will use and do nonsense. They don't go put on for the child future. When the say when the child will grow up, he will feel complete with other children. They go squander them for nonsense. And they from here they tell you, if money reach your hand, not be your money. Plan for this children's future. Because I see some of the children when you be say, especially Italy. When I use one app, they look into Italy, and they see some of the children when you be say they're born for this place. They don't feel they compete with others. What thing that they do, the one when you be say they use like waka enter. When pass through corner, no be say I pass on. Hey, I just know see some people pass on. You know now, no fit pass that corner now you understand. Some people when they say they pass through that corner, the children when they born for here go still go. They do the same thing when they say that they do. If you want to be a barber, be the best barber. Say anything when I don't get problem with the thing when the pikin say you want to do or when the pikin end up saying you want to do. But if you want to one, be one of the best. Don't be say you want to do the thing. Go to school, get the certificate. Go to school, get the certificate. Whatever you want to become, you want to do. I don't get problem with it. You will survive with it. But make sure say you do the thing the way you're supposed to do and get the certificate. With that certificate for this place, nothing for you. Whether they born you here or they not born you here, nothing for you. At the time now, parents, make it not be say the struggle when you be say you struggle, your children will still go up. Go struggle. All this money when I they call single child allowance, nursery allowance, single mother allowance, the allowance of the allowance, every the la when it be say day. I don't measure most of them. La one day almost all of them. If you not use this thing well, now one plot of land you will still reach. And that one plot of land, if you never build a house, put another person then they cultivate the planting and put there. If you don't build a house, now people they sleep there. Not be you. The future of the children is important. My people, wait I know. As I say I reach now I can't talk. As he say make I can't tell now say now the matter when they grand I be this one. Now I can't say make I can't talk. My people, make God bless you now. We will go to the other side.